Good morning everyone. Today we'll be discussing about Doctors Vidmed login and how the doctor will be consulting a patient through Vidmed telehealth application. So the doctor's URL is doctors.vidmed.co.in and we'll be entering the your username which will be given at the time of registration and your password, and then we'll be logging into the application. So once we log in, the patient doctor consultation page will be opened default. In that you can view the patient details that the doctor has done on that particular day till now. So you can see the patient details coming up, and in the side you're having patients list, which gives us the information about the past patients that the doctor has done throughout in the past 1 week, and appointment schedule is any appointments that the doctor has scheduled with the patient will be coming in the appointment schedule. And in the support you'll be having an option where if any application issues has come up while doing teleconsultation or any queries of doctor, the doctor can be giving in the support. And in the next down you'll be having doctor slots where the doctor can fix his prior appointments for a whole week in the Vidmed telehealth application. So the doctor slots gives us that idea of fixing appointments in a week according to a doctor's schedule. So this way will be going on. Now we'll be going for this teleconsultation. The patient has called, and once we click green button, the patient video consultation will be open, and now you can see the screen getting open where you will be having video consultation open, and you can see the details getting open where left hand side video is showing the patients and the right hand side is showing the doctor details. And if you see, we have the patient information in the page which gives us the patient name, gender, age, and his symptoms of for what reason he consulted, his mobile number and address. And in the down you can see emergency, view files, patient history and COVID form. So view files gives us information. So view files, emergency, patient history, COVID form. So view files gives us information of any past history that a patient has uploaded, like his x-rays or any past prescription given by a doctor, he can upload and we can view through view files. And patient history gives us information of the patient's consultation done in Vidmed through our past doctors through this telehealth application. You can see the patient has called us 2 times, and before he has done lab investigations and some medications also given. So the doctor's note also gives us information of how it will be done. This shows the patient history. Suppose if a patient directly gives us any information or anything and ask it if he has any confirmation in COVID, we can directly select COVID form, and there a COVID-19 form gets open where the template describes all the conditions of COVID. You can see temperature is there, symptoms are given, and any travel history is given, and also you can see comorbidities in the application given. If the patient has any comorbidities, we have to select it. In the same way, we have to select all the conditions of the patient regarding COVID, like precautions like point of care testing and chemistry. Has he gone any test for confirming a test COVID, or has he gone before any blood examinations? All those kinds of preparatory requirements for COVID confirmation are given, where the doctor can select them and give consultation based on the experience of doctor. So now this COVID form gives us information directly where a patient details can be given. Apart from it, if any other conditions are there, like normal conditions, so now those conditions can be viewed in chief complaints, where you can see he has already given his information as cough, but we diagnosed talking with him and found that there are some more symptoms. So we can select those symptoms, body aches, chill aches, and whatever symptoms we have there we can select. These are the minor symptoms. If you want more symptoms, as per telemedicine guidelines we have given. So press show more, where you get all the list of complaints that a patient will be given as per telemedicine guidelines of India. So now we can select this, or if they are also not there, we can write in the other complaints box our diagnosis. We can write the history of the patient and any family history. And also, if any vitals are being checked by the patient manually or through a health worker, those details can be entered by the doctor in the vital section. For example, like temperature, sugar, and BB, systolic and diastolic, pulse, SpO2, height and weight, and we can view vitals history also, any past vitals history, any changes happen. And we can select the past history of the patient, whether it is still there or not. And if any allergies are there, we have to mandatorily check it. If anything is not there, we have to click it as a none. And based on it, we'll be doing provisional diagnosis. So provisional diagnosis gives us information where what he has done, what we have observed with the patient. So it is a conjunctivitis disease. So we can mark it as conjunctivitis. Based on the application, it has come up as conjunctivitis. So type of diagnosis, we can select it as conjunctivitis. And if any further references the doctor wants to give on lab tests or anything to the patient, he can go to investigations and then select lab investigations. So what are all the lab tests based on the diagnosis, we can tell the patient to get them done. So we can select them through investigations. And if anything, we can give advice also in the following up. And apart from this, if any other higher recommendations that we have to give to a patient, or a higher specialized doctor has to see the patient, based on the doctor's recommendation, we can refer them. So the referral acts as a reference to higher doctors, like we can select the qualification and specialization, and we can see the list of doctors who are available with our Vidmed health telehealth, the specialized doctors. And you can select the doctor and tell the patient to consult the said doctor for higher precautions or higher diagnosis. So and the next thing is, we have lab and pharmacy integrated in Dhanush Vidmed telehealth application, where the patient from his own location, he can go to the concerned lab and pharmacy and get them diagnosed and also take the medicines from that particular location. So we have tied up with different labs and pharmacies. So based on the experience of the patient or the hierarchy of the patient, the doctor can select the state in which the patient is staying. Right now we are giving only a demo version, so a default state we have selected as Telangana, and region also we have to select in which region the patient is there and what is the district in which he is staying. Based on it, the labs under that district and under that what are the pharmacies will be popped up. So you can see we have only demo lab is given, so demo lab will be selected. Otherwise there will be list of labs and pharmacies given in the application as per the patient details. And next is drug selection. So drugs, we can select what is the tablets, like drug name, and then add. And if you want some more, you can select syrup or injection or anything and add, go for the drug name and then add. So after adding, you have to select what is the duration and what is the timelines that the medicine should be taken. So we have given morning, afternoon, evening and night. So we can select what is the duration he has to take, what is the dosage, and what is the between what time he has to take with food, like before, after or any time, and what is the duration he should take, how many weeks or days, and we can add that. I have selected 1 week. And in the same way, syrup we can for the second medicine also we have to select how the patient should take the medicine. So this way the patient details should be the patient prescription should be added into the prescription of the application. So in this way the prescription gets added. So once all the details are entered, we can see if you want some further instructions to be given to the patient, we can write the instructions in the column below. And we can see preview prescription, where we can see the prescription given. We have the details of the doctor, the patient name, what are the complaints observed, and what are the vitals at our time of consultation, what is the past history, what is the provisional diagnosis, any higher referrals given, what are the drugs we have given, and what is the direction to take, and pharmacy details is also given, so that the patient can go to the said pharmacy and take the medicines. And also lab details are also given, so that he can go to the same lab and get them tested, as those details will be sent to that lab from our application. And once it is done, so now after that we have to select submit. Once submit is done, the application will send that prescription to the patient. So in this way the patient will be given the prescription and the teleconsultation for that patient will be completed. So this is the process of telehealth medication of doctors. Thank you. Good day.